This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this phone through its own settings. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app. Give me a sec here. So, Settings. Next, enter the General Management category. Tap at the Reset. Then Factory Data Reset. Make sure that all your data that you do not want to lose is backed up in a safe place, preferably on your Google Cloud or any other cloud service that you prefer using, because obviously the factory data reset procedure will result in all data erasal, the erasal of all the data from your phone, or to be even more precise, from your internal storage. So once all the measures are taken and any piece of data that is important to you is backed up, tap at the reset button, input your screen lock if there is any, then tap at the delete all button once again, and the factory reset process gets underway. So now simply, wait for it to elapse, wait for it to be finished, and it is going to take a while, so I'll just wait and finish the video once the process is also finished. So as you can tell by this initial setup interface, the factory reset process has been finished successfully. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.